If you want to create folders, like I have created, and want to customize your chats in different sections, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how to create folders in Telegram. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial, so just remember the channel name Haskery and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, tap on these 3 lines here in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Here you can see the option, Chat Folders. Tap on it. Currently, I have 3 folders. To create a new one, tap on Create New Folder. Here, type your folder name. Tap on Add Chats to add your chats in this folder. And finally, press on Save. Now our folder has been created. If I go back, here you can see now I have 4 Telegram folders, including demo folder, which we have created now. If you want to reorder these folders, then long press on any folder and this small menu will be open. Then tap on Reorder. Drag folders according to your requirements and press Done. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.